What if your electric vehicle could literally fold to save space? Meet the Kandi Collapsible Mini Golf Cart, one of the most innovative mini electric vehicles taking over city streets in 2026. Built with a smart collapsible design, it's perfect for crowded urban environments where space matters most. Its small electric system delivers smooth, quiet performance while keeping energy costs low. Lightweight, easy to maneuver, and surprisingly practical, it transforms short-distance travel into a convenient and eco-friendly experience. Whether for city commuting, local transport, or quick neighborhood trips, this futuristic mini EV proves that mobility in 2026 is becoming smarter, smaller, and far more efficient than ever before. What if a mini electric UTV could handle city streets like a beast in 2026? Meet the Kandi electric UTV Cowboy E10K, a rugged yet compact electric UTV redefining urban mobility in 2026. Built for both street convenience and utility performance, it combines off-road-inspired strength with clean electric efficiency. Its powerful electric drivetrain delivers smooth acceleration while keeping emissions at zero. The compact body allows easy maneuvering through tight city spaces, while the durable build handles heavy daily use. Inside, smart controls and practical design focus on comfort and functionality. Whether for urban transport, light cargo, or daily commuting, the Cowboy E10K shows how electric utility vehicles are evolving into versatile, city-ready machines today. What if your next city vehicle looked futuristic but drove like pure freedom? Meet the Highox Trooper X, one of the boldest mini electric vehicles taking over city streets in 2026. Designed for compact urban mobility, it combines aggressive styling with smooth electric performance. Its lightweight body makes tight turns and crowded traffic feel effortless, while the efficient battery system keeps daily commuting affordable and eco-friendly. Inside, the smart digital controls and modern cabin deliver a premium driving experience in a compact form. Quiet, efficient, and built for modern streets, the Trooper X proves that small electric vehicles are becoming the future of everyday transportation. What if city transportation became smaller, smarter, and way more fun? Meet the BAW G2, a compact electric ride built for the fast-moving streets of 2026. Designed for urban mobility, it combines futuristic styling with smooth electric performance in a lightweight package. Its compact frame makes navigating crowded roads and tight parking spaces incredibly easy, while the efficient battery system keeps every ride quiet and eco-friendly. Modern controls, agile handling, and low operating costs make it perfect for daily commuting and short city trips. As many electric vehicles continue to grow in popularity, the BAW G2 stands out as a smart and stylish glimpse into the future of urban transportation. What if the future of city travel looked this compact and advanced? Meet the Segway MXY, a futuristic mini electric vehicle built for the fast-changing streets of 2026. Designed with smart urban mobility in mind, it delivers smooth electric performance in an ultra-compact form. Its lightweight structure makes city driving effortless, while the advanced battery system provides efficient and eco-friendly transportation for everyday use. Modern styling, agile handling, and intelligent controls give it a high-tech feel that stands out on crowded roads. Perfect for short commutes and busy urban environments, the Segway MXY represents a new generation of mini EVs, proving that small vehicles can deliver big innovation and convenience. What if the future of city driving could fit into the smallest parking spot? Meet the Changan Lumin EV, the mini electric car taking over city streets in 2026. Compact, stylish, and surprisingly practical, it's built for modern urban life. Its fully electric system delivers smooth, silent driving while cutting fuel costs completely. Despite its small size, the interior feels smart and comfortable, making daily commuting easier than ever. The lightweight design helps it move effortlessly through crowded traffic and tight roads. Fast charging, futuristic styling, and eco-friendly performance make the Lumin EV a perfect choice for the next generation of drivers. Small car, Massive impact. What if the smallest cars on the road became the smartest way to travel in 2026? Meet the BAW Yuanba EV, a compact electric vehicle built to dominate modern city streets. With its futuristic boxy design and fully electric powertrain, it delivers smooth, quiet, and efficient driving for everyday urban life. Its compact size makes parking effortless and traffic easier to handle, while its smart interior adds comfort and practicality for daily commuting. Designed for low running costs and eco-friendly mobility, the Yuanba EV is proof that tiny electric cars are becoming a major part of the future. Tiny footprint, modern technology, and surprisingly big personality all in one package.